I wanted something that was easy, user-friendly, didn't send my emails to spam, allowed me to segment my audience, allowed me to create automations, and I found it. Let me tell you about the email marketing software that I love and is a fraction of the cost as the big competitors. Are you ready? If you know me, you know that I love Excel and I love comparing, and when I find a good platform, this was back from June 17, 2020, when I was literally comparing all the best and the top email marketing platforms, and that's when I found this platform. We're talking all about MailerLite. Maybe you've heard it, maybe you haven't. It's not one of the most common, but it is one of the best players because it has all the functions, just like the top competitors, and it's literally, like I mentioned, a fraction of the cost. So when I'm comparing, there's features that I compare first, like what I need to have. Then there's add-on features that are a bonus. Then I look at price. I look at so many things, and that's why you see that I do everything on Excel. And that's where I got the winning and the one that I love, have been using, and I recommend to everyone that asked me, and now to you guys. So before you even move from this video, the link to try MailerLite is down below. You can try it out, and guess what? Your first 1,000 subscribers are free. So that means that if you don't have subscribers yet, if you're building up your email list, well, you can use it for free. If you already have subscribers, depending on the amount is what the plan will cost you per month, okay? So before we jump into everything that the platform does, I wanna give you a whole walkthrough. I wanna show you how easy it is. I have to put it out there, this is not paid because I know somebody is going to ask. This is literally not paid. As you guys saw, I do my own comparisons. I find the best platforms, and I love recommending the good stuff that I literally use day in and day out. All right, so let me show you why I love this platform. Before we walk over there, I also want to tell you that last video we touched on the copywriting robot tool superhero that you are missing out on if you're not already using, and it pairs super well with this platform. So if you've ever felt stuck writing your emails, that is the application that will save your life. I promise it when I'm telling you, save your life. Okay, come on over here. As if email weren't enough, this platform has functions that allow you to create a website, sell products online, literally. This was exactly how I tested and I sold my first round of the Content Bootcamp, my program. It was all done right here through MailerLite. And you also have the option to create landing pages inside this application. So you don't have to use all the external applications, which is something that I love. I hate having to go here for this and here and then connect it all. This does it all in-house. So you can create your campaigns like I'm about to show you. You can segment your audience. You can create freebies with your landing pages straight from here. And you can even sell digital products by integrating Stripe into a landing page or a website. So let's say for me, when I was selling the Content Bootcamp, I created a sales page as if it were a landing page, and I just added the Stripe integration. This is everything that I explained inside the Content Bootcamp. So if you're also looking for that full content integration from people finding you, becoming an audience, and then taking them down the line using your emails, that's part of the Content Bootcamp. And what I always recommend is for you to do it throughout MailerLite because it's super user-friendly, drag and drop. You do not need to be an editor, coder, designer, none of that stuff. So I know you're dying to see how the email campaigns are built. So I want to show you from the inside so you get a full glimpse of the interface and how easy it really is to bring your emails to life. So you have different campaign types. For this one, we're going to go ahead and create a regular campaign, but it does give you the option for an A/B split campaign. All right, so for a subject line, let's say it's how to get a summer body in 30 days. Summer is just around the corner, so by the way, if you are stuck thinking about what your subject line should be, because it is the most important part of an email, remember that the tool that I recommended in the last video does it for you like this, so don't miss out on that video. So we have that. Next, we're gonna click on the button, and you see here that we have templates. We can create a new template. We have their own template gallery, and then recent emails that we've sent. So right here, I really want you to check out these templates because as you can see, there are all kinds of things. They have templates for nonprofits, for online stores, for service providers, for subscription boxes. I mean, the list goes on and on and on from what you're seeing here. But what I love is you can use what you have here. You can even use and edit, make it your own, or you can just create one from scratch. So here you go. I'm scrolling all the way down so you guys see exactly what it looks like. And for a lot of you guys that are already signed up to my emails, you guys always ask, hey Laura, how do you get your video inside? And this is exactly how I do it. MailerLite has all these kinds of blocks that I'm about to show you, and one of their blocks is a video block. So you can put a video inside your email and it shows up super cool in a GIF, like a moving animated image where it captivates and it gets your subscribers to click on that video. So as you're seeing here, this is an example of what an email would look like. This is a template that they have. And then they have this video where if you open it, this would take you to the video of your choice. So this is a great template, and it's just one of the few examples that they have. Another of the hands down features that I love with MailerLite is that you can do quizzes and surveys. So for example, inside the Content Bootcamp, what I strive for is customer satisfaction. I need to know that all the boot campers are satisfied with the program, that you guys got the results that you wanted. And that's exactly how I survey my boot campers after they graduate from the Content Bootcamp. I send them out a survey using MailerLite, asking them for their opinion. So they go through it, and then I see and analyze all the results on how the bootcamp has helped them and how I can also improve it. So it's hands down something that I love. You can do quizzes. You can link your products. MailerLite has a great integration with Shopify, so it links automatically among a lot of other integrations that they have, but Shopify is one of their main ones. So as you can see, the list goes on and on and on. They also have another page. You can do so many things, literally. Possibilities are endless. For this example, we're gonna keep it really simple. We're gonna create one from scratch. Here we go. So welcome to their drag and drop editor, the most user-friendly platform that I have used, the simplest one to create plain emails or super elaborate emails. It can all be done in here. So as you can see, you have all of these. These are just an example. You can edit and remove. This is the survey that I was telling you about. Text, of course, images, headers, buttons. Honestly, super easy to use. So let's say that I'm adding in a text. So I'm gonna drag the text over here, and you can see you can edit as you want. You can add images, you can add videos like I was mentioning. You can add and link articles, you can link your products, you can put multiple choices. I mean, features, carousels, galleries, more than one button. It's honestly super useful. So this is how you can link a product. You can either link it to your Shopify store if it is a physical product. If it is a digital product, you can integrate it using Stripe, and people will check out directly from your landing page. So as you can see, drag and drop, you just click here and you would edit. So let's say here it's a 30-day fitness challenge. Super easy to edit. You can edit the price, edit everything that you want, edit the colors. It honestly makes it super user-friendly. And from all the other ones that I've compared, this is hands down the one that I've loved, and that saves me time and it gets me the results that I'm looking for my business. So once you have finished designing and adding all the copywriting to your email, you're going to select exactly who you're going to send it to. And like I mentioned, you can segment your audience. You can have as many different groups as possible. You can add tags to each person so you know exactly where they came from, which freebie, which product, if they bought, if they didn't. It automatically also segments people who have spent a high threshold on your store or on your services, people who are inactive, so you can automatically just remove them from your list. It does it all for you. So you select exactly who you're sending it to, and then here you can schedule your campaign. So remember that this campaign is one that we are creating, but if you're interested in creating an automated campaign, so a funnel type of thing, that's also an option that you have on another tab inside MailerLite. So this is a campaign that's being sent out once, and then we have automated campaigns. And same thing, you can segment your audience in both. Inside the automated campaigns, you can do if-then conditions. You can remove them from groups if they've purchased and you want to remove them. Those are all little tiny things that I know I was super specific and I knew exactly what features I wanted when I was looking for a platform. So I know most of you out there are probably looking for the same thing as well. That's why I love mentioning it. So there you have it. It's super easy, user-friendly. I've been using it for a while now. The team is really outstanding. They're always in action, responding. And that's one of the things that really makes this platform one of my favorites when I'm comparing and when I'm deciding whether to keep or change the platforms that I use in my day-to-day business. I always look at those things. Now, for price, like I mentioned from the Excel sheet, it's a fraction of the cost as the big competitors where you can do all these other types of features. Like I mentioned, automated campaigns, conditions, so that way you can segment your audiences. Normally, the other competitors were charging a higher amount to do these things, and some of them didn't even have all these features like selling digital products or being able to create landing pages, but MailerLite had it all integrated, and I'm not joking when the price is literally a fraction of the other ones. The price depends, so I don't want to give you a set number because it depends on the number of subscribers that you have, but remember, you can check out the price in the link below and test them out to see if you like it. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know. I love being able to help out. And stick around because the next video we have coming up is one that a lot of you have been asking for, so you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell because I'm finally revealing how you can visually plan your Instagram with a platform that I love to use. So you definitely do not want to miss that out. Don't forget to try MailerLite using the link below and stick around here. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.